Oh, my name is Cassidy. I'm with Clean Logix, and today we are going to go over how to resolve a green screen on your ALX-PRO V3. If you notice here on my ALX-PRO, the screen is green and you cannot see any words or have any function by pressing any keys on the unit. The first thing we're going to do is hit the e-stop on the unit and kill power, and then unplug the unit from the wall to ensure that we have no current running through the unit. Now that we have the unit powered off, we are going to open the enclosure and open past the panel door. Now that we have the unit open, we are simply going to remove the keypad and mouse cables from the unit. From there, we can close the enclosure and close the front lid. Now that the unit is closed and we have unplugged the cables, we are now going to plug our unit back in and pull the e-stop to power the unit back on. As we wait for the unit to power on, this first step of simply unplugging the keypad and mouse pad is a simple troubleshooting test that we like to do when the unit has a green screen. This may not resolve the issue, but it gives us a better indication of what may be going on with the unit. As you can see now, my unit looks to be booting up without the green screen. Now that the unit is fully booted, we can now open the enclosure to replug our keypad and mouse back in. We will now plug our keypad and mouse back into the original spots that they were located. And we will close the enclosure. Now that the Pro is closed, we will now test to make sure the mouse and keypad work. And that is how you resolve a green screen on an ALX-PRO V3. If this test does not work, please contact customer service by phone at 616-438-9200 or reach out to us directly via email at sales@clean-logix.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.